This is a powerful technique I do before going to bed. If somebody has affected you negatively throughout the day, you have to release their energy before going to bed. If you don't, that energy festers, builds up, and now you're taking that into your sleep. And when you wake up the next morning, you're gonna be overwhelmed because that energy hasn't been released, right? So whether or not you had a confrontational interaction with somebody or somebody just triggered you in the day, you have to release them. And here's how you do it. Step number one, set an intention. God, higher power, universe, help me release this person's energy that's affecting me and draining me of my energy and vitality. Second, imagine the person in front of you, like they're standing right there. Third, imagine a white light coming down from the sky. As it comes down, it wraps this person up in this white light, like a bubble. It contains everything, so whatever it is, it can no longer happen because it's contained in this bubble. Step number four, send this bubble as far away as you can until you no longer see it. It's when you no longer see it, like whatever attachments that they have to you, it gets disconnected and they can no longer affect you. And I do this practice before going to bed every night as a way of releasing energy from people that I just don't need to bring in my sleep. Try this out for the next 3 nights and watch yourself wake up more peaceful, with more energy, more clarity, and more happiness.